Hello, welcome to CBM Pot with me, Chef Bill Mkono. Maneno quite mbaya sana. And today I'm going to prepare avocado and peanut butter sandwich. Maneno quite mbaya sana. Mautamu reloaded. This is a very easy recipe to make, a very delicious, exquisite, scrumptious sandwich that you can make any time of your choice. So let's get into cooking. Maneno quite mbaya sana. CBM Pot cooking blending memories. Let's do this. So I have my brown bread ready. I usually like taking brown bread, so you can use any type of bread that you like. I have my salt, brown sugar, my peanut butter there. You can use any peanut butter of your choice, soaked red onions, some milk. I have my coriander or dania, tomatoes, some pieces of eggs, and then obviously my avocado. That one is a must, and it's very, very delicious. Yeah. So I'm going to start with my eggs. So I'm going to beat some eggs and make sure the egg becomes foamy and it has mixed very well. So you have to be very, very patient with the egg so that the eggs can be very well mixed. And then I'm going to put my corn oil, or you can use any type of oil, olive oil if you like, or if you have. And then you add your salt and sugar and you mix those ingredients first so that the sugar can dissolve. Yeah, keep on mixing, be very patient. You are not supposed to rush here. This one is very important because the salt and sugar should mix very well before you add your eggs. You have to make sure the eggs are mixed very well with the oil that has salt and sugar until foamy, because you don't want your sandwich to have egg white patches. So you have to mix very well. So my eggs are ready. So I'm going to add my milk. Milk is very essential because it will fasten up the browning of the bread or the sandwich. So that one is a must. So my pan is ready. I'm going to put my oil. You can use any type of oil of your choice, but I'm using corn oil. And then I'm going to put my bread and 2.5 minutes each side. You have to make sure the browning is evenly distributed on the breads. Make sure they are evenly distributed. And that is my sandwich is ready. So delicious, so beautiful. Unasikia tu kuikula hapa, unaiangalia tu hivi unasikia kuikula. Maneno kwetu mbaya sana, mautamu reloaded. CBM Pot. I'm going to pickle my onions to get rid of the tanginess, that bitter, pungent flavor or taste that usually is left on your tongue. That's what I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm going to add my salt and sugar in water. That is a shortcut. This is a shortcut of brine. So I'm going to make sure I've mixed very well in water to make sure they have dissolved. Maneno quite mbaya sana. Eh? I'm going to make sure they are very well dissolved, and I have my julienne cut red onions. I'm going to add them in that water. And I'm going to make sure they are very well submerged in the water so that they can absorb as much flavor as possible. CBM Pot Cooking Blending Memories with me, Chef Bill Mkono. That's how I pickle my onions. I'm going to let the onion soak in that concoction for some time to absorb as much flavor as possible. I've deseeded my tomatoes because I don't want a watery salad or a sandwich. My mashed avocado is ready. Chopped coriander or dania in Swahili. My julienne tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to mix with the soaking onions. They have been soaking for some time now, so I'm going to dry the excess water and mix the salad or the kachumbari in Swahili together. Unene kwetu mbaya sana, mautamu reloaded. Make sure you dry the onions as much as you can because you don't want your sandwich to be wet. And I know majority of people don't like wet stuff, so make sure the onions have dried very well. So I'm going to mix the mashed avocado together with the salad. And this avocado is very, very delicious. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana. CBM Pot Cooking Blending Memories. And I'm making avocado peanut butter sandwich. I'm mixing the salad together. Make sure you have mixed the salad together so that the flavor can be evenly distributed across the salad. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana. Mautamu reloaded with me, Chef Bill Mkono. CBM Pot Cooking Blending Memories. That's what we do in this channel. And there it is. There is my guacamole or kachumbari with avocado in Kenya. That's what we call it. Or you can also say guacamole is accepted. I have spread peanut butter on my French toast. That looks delicious. That looks exquisite. Extremely beautiful and delicious at the same time. That is my French toast. Spread peanut butter on top of it. Make sure you have spreaded the peanut butter evenly and my guacamole is ready. So it's time to mix my avocado peanut butter sandwich. And my avocado peanut butter sandwich is ready. That is one of the samples you can present your sandwich. That looks extremely beautiful, exquisite. Mautamu reloaded, na kuambia utamu iko hapa. You can always cover it up or you can serve it open. That, let me tell you guys, yeah, this sandwich is very, very delicious. You can try it out. You can take it with any drink of your choice. Mautamu mbaya. Let me tell you guys, yeah, that is the second way you can present that sandwich, depending with whatever you like or makes you happy. It's at your will, guys. This sandwich, you have to do it justice, guys. Let me tell you guys, utamu iko hapa. Maneno iko wetu mbaya sana with me, Chef Bill Mkono, and that is my sandwich, avocado peanut butter sandwich ready. This is the third option that you can serve or plate the sandwich. So you choose from the first one, the second one, and the third sample. This is how you can also present your sandwich and serve your guest. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana. That is my avocado peanut butter sandwich, mautamu reloaded. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana with me, Chef Bill Mkono, CBM Pot Cooking Blending Memories. This is how we do it, guys. And that is my recipe for today. Try it out and let me know in the comment section how you felt the sandwich is. Maneno iko yetu mbaya sana. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias. Merci. Asanteni sana. Dank. Ciao, adios, I'm out. Chef Bill Mkono, let's meet in the next episode. Peace, enjoy.